Honda Accord wheel spacers can be installed as aftermarket parts. The high-quality Honda Accord wheel spacers can help the vehicle with more modifications and upgrades, including the brake system upgrades, aftermarket wheel adaptation, cosmetic changes, better handling, and more. Honda Accord wheel spacers offer easy and quick wheel position adjustments, allowing the wheels to be moved outward to a specific position, usually first with the fenders, while ensuring the structural safety of the Honda Accord. The length of the vehicle will be fuller, giving the vehicle an aggressive and track-filled appearance. Designed by professional mechanical engineers, these are made in an independent OEM factory and are full of more than 66 SGS and theory test records. BONOSS also offers the choice of wheel spacers from 15mm to 50mm. The BONOSS Honda Accord wheel spacers are all forged. The manufacturing process of forge made the internal structure of the spacer denser and firmer. Meanwhile, the material used is aluminum alloy, and it has many outstanding characteristics, such as high strength, wear resistance, excellent toughness, impact resistance, and high temperature resistance. This metal has good mechanical properties compared with industry standards. The cheap spacers that use low quality are not strong enough and will deform and endanger driving safety under strong impact. By contrast, BONOSS insists on producing professional wheel spacers, which are far higher than the industry safety and professional standards. In addition, BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers are designed with heat dissipation grooves to make brake cooling better, distributed in a petal shape. These grooves allow the external cold air to flow continuously inside the wheel spacer when it rotates. The air takes away the heat, so it achieves the purpose of actually dissipating heat for the braking system. There are small notches that distribute on the corner of the wheel spacers. These notches act as air collectors, which tremendously enlarge the airflow, enhancing the heat dissipation effect and improving road safety. Also, BONOSS forged active cooling wheel spacers come with a 10-year warranty, which gives drive peace of mind.